Hey everyone, I'm hoping this is going to be a really quick video. We lost a little foot. I bought these little aftermarket feet for this thing and they don't stay in there, but that's a side tangent. I can go somewhere else. Let's start over. This PlayStation 2 does not work. I should probably grab a power cord to like demonstrate that. I don't have, hang on. All right, here's the power cord. I'll give a little backstory while I'm putting this thing together. I purchased this off Facebook Marketplace a little while ago, and it was listed as broken, and I thought, hey, this would be kind of a cool video. Boop, boop. No lights. So it wasn't like broken. It basically was, first of all, it was missing all of the screws on the bottom. It was actually just held together with like packaging tape. And then this door was broken off. So I bought the cheapest one I could find online. And you know what? It looks halfway decent. The logo's a little off, but it's fine. And I was like, cool. Well, it was filled with more dust than I've ever seen in my life. And realistically, it wasn't an interesting video to kind of, you know, just brush dust out of this thing. So I really didn't film it because it was just me replacing screws that were missing and dusting it. That was kind of the whole video. And I did put this thing on, but whatever. When I put it back together, I noticed the lights weren't working on the little power indicator. I'm like, huh, okay. So I started fiddling with the ribbon cable, and now it doesn't work at all. So I made things worse, is what I'm trying to say. So we are going to hopefully be able to fix this. And if you are like me and buy replacement feet from AliExpress, the little rubber bits like don't actually stay in. These are useless. So the plastic bit parts actually fit and they stay, but the feet don't feet. So let's take this thing apart. I'm hoping this is gonna be a super quick video because oh yeah, also it just was short a screw. That's the other part. So I'm just also missing a screw. But yeah, we're just hoping this is gonna be a super quick video because I'm done messing with this, and I'm hoping that I can get this thing fixed up and working and out of my apartment. Also, because it didn't have screws, I actually was just kind of guessing where the long screws and short screws went. I still really don't know if I was putting them in the right place, but everything's screwed in, so I'm guessing they were right. I have my actual one that I do need to actually work on because the disc tray makes a lot of noise, which just means I need to grease the rails. All right. So here's this terrible condition cord. Now before anyone says anything, I didn't do this to this cord. This was literally how the cord was when I got it. So this cord's just mangled. Someone had already been in here prior to me getting this. How do I know that? Because we have some sort of like refurbished testing numbers on the bottom here. So somebody was playing around in this thing. Oh yeah, I left out a whole part of this. I bought a new ribbon cable. So we're gonna just replace that one. I didn't actually verify to make sure this was the correct pin count. Yeah, both have 7 pins, so we should be good. We can undo my amazing tape job here. So you gotta come out, and I gotta be careful with you. you need to come off. There we go. Okay, so we need to get right in there. So the proper way to do this would be to fully disassemble this so that way we could get easy access, but we're not gonna do that because we're lazy. We're gonna use some tweezers and back that cable out. There we go. Let's try and get some of that dust out of there. Oh, that's much better. All right, let's take our new cable here. That went through there, so let's already feed that in. Yeah, okay. All right, so let's see how much this is gonna suck. Now, they do make, if you are worried about damaging the cable, they make tweezers that actually have, well, I guess if you're worried about damaging the cable, take this thing apart properly. But also, they make tweezers that have like ceramic tips, so that way it won't damage your cables, your ribbon cables. Which I don't have, so you know, holidays around the corner. If anyone's thinking, hey, I wanna support my, I don't know, hopefully top 100 favorite YouTuber, feel free to buy me some ceramic tip tweezers. Especially if you are one of the people that I commonly fix your electronics on this channel. Okay, that seems like that's in there. Let's fish that through. Let's put this thing back together. Actually, we should probably just plug in our power light and see if that works. And see if this was a giant waste of time. Now that we have our power and reset light in. Imagine if this doesn't fix it and I just somehow broke this worse. Hey, look at that. Yeah, everything works again. Okay, cool. Let's put this beautiful PlayStation 2 all the way back together. Don't worry, I'm gonna skip ahead. You don't need to watch this part. All right, there we go. All the screws are back in there. And there we go. We have a working power light. And our buttons work again. So there we go. This PlayStation 2 has been saved and it can go on and find a new home now. I'm glad that I got it fixed. I'm glad that I got it working. Now on to the next thing.